Industrial networks are getting bigger, faster, and more complex, but managing them doesn't have to be. In this RS product spotlight, we'll meet the Advantech's EKI-271X Series, high-density Ethernet switches that bring simplicity, security, and reliability to your industrial connectivity. The EKI-271X Series is a family of rugged, unmanaged Ethernet switches built for port-intensive industrial environments. These switches deliver reliable connectivity for smart factories, energy storage systems, and EV charging infrastructure. Key features include high port density, up to 18 ports for large-scale industrial networks, one-touch VLAN with a simple dip switch control for quick traffic isolation or task grouping, ruggedness and reliability with its EMC Level 4 protection and 6 kV surge protection for harsh, lightning-prone environments, redundant power inputs that ensure continuous uptime in critical applications, wide temperature ranges that operate from -40 to 75 degrees Celsius for extreme conditions, and a compact design for easy, space-saving installations. Different models include the EKI-2710, 2716, and 2718. Each come with its own port configuration, which includes a 8FE plus 2GE combo, 16FE, or a 16FE plus 2GE combo. With its configurable dip switch, you can activate VLAN modes, QoS, and BSP. You also gain flexibility with SFP ports offering fiber link options. The EKI-271X Series is ideal for smart factories where secure traffic separation is critical, battery energy storage systems that demand stable connectivity, and EV charging infrastructure requiring high-capacity networking. It's also perfect for machine builders and any environment where reliability and uptime are non-negotiable. With the EKI-271X Series, you get enhanced security with VLAN modes to isolate sensitive data from other traffic like video surveillance, reduced downtime with redundant power and surge protection, keeping systems running, easy deployment with its dip switch configuration, and its DIN rail mounting simplifies installation, and future-ready, built for Industry 4.0 and high-demanding industrial networks. When you need rugged, high-density Ethernet connectivity that is engineered for reliability, security, and performance, choose Advantech's EKI-271X Series. Ready to upgrade your network connectivity? Reach out to Advantech or RS Engineering Support Group to assist you. Visit our RS sites in the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more RS product spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.